Hi, my name is Janice, and I have been using MyEvent platform to plan and run our 40th high school reunion. What was really nice about it is that my 40th reunion was last year, and we collected all of this information. It was so great. We had all these emails, and then we canceled it or postponed it because of COVID. But I kept the site up because I didn't want to lose all of that information, and it was really nice. It's sort of becoming not only our event platform, but it's also a way that we can all communicate with each other, because not everybody in our class goes with Facebook. And so it's been a really great platform, very user friendly, and the customer service has been really great. So thanks so much. Bye.